How to add pictures in Youcut. Want to insert images into your video project? Here's how to add pictures in Youcut with ease. First, open your project on Youcut or start a new one. Tap the plus icon on the timeline and select the image you want to add. You can add multiple pictures and they will appear as clips in your timeline. Tap the picture to adjust duration, add motion effects or apply filters. For overlays, use the PIP feature. Select your image, then position it anywhere on the video. Resize or rotate it using pimp gestures. Add transitions if you are mixing images with video for a smoother visual flow. Want to make a slideshow? Use the text and music tools to turn your pictures into a full presentation. What kind of photos you are using? Memes, memories, or marketing? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.